come around to say hello. One-on-one, I'm so fly. You took a nosedive. Careful when you play on my level. For you, it's so. Hey, hello.
Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. Flip the script.
Hello, Moto.
Anand Ranganathan, is this just confrontation for the sake of confrontation, egged on by political parties? Because normally on Eid day, people will go to their masjids, they will offer their prayers and they will come out. Who has said terrace pe nahi ho sakta? They've only said that in some areas that road pe mat karo. It inconveniences people who are driving and going to work. What is the problem? What is the problem that makes it so difficult for everybody to accept these rules and laws that they have to call another religion a Ganda Dharm?
Good evening, Navika, and good evening to my fellow panelists, and wishing happy Eid Mubarak to everyone who's celebrating it. Tausif Bhai, you have Waris Pathan Saab and Tariq Bhai. Wish you a very happy Eid, and others as well. A couple of points out here, which is very important. On this day, I have to say this, it will be years before people realize that the real hatred that is being spread, the real Hindu-Muslim that is being done on account of abusing Hindus. And it will be decades before people realize that the real discrimination that is happening in our country is not happening constitutionally, legally against Muslims, but against Hindus. Be that as it may. I just want to point out one thing, that Hindus are obligated, according to one panelist, to celebrate Eid, but someone like Waris Pathan is castigated by his party senior for chanting Ganpati Bappa Moria and apologize for it. So, of course, there is no equality, but I don't even want to go there. I just want to show you that under the UPA in 2010, the Delhi High Court passed an order prohibiting namaz to be offered on the roads. This is in 2010. Now, was there Hindu-Muslim being done by the UPA? Was there Hindu-Muslim being done by the High Court? The fact of the matter is that all people of all religions, Navika, I did not, Tausif, at least today, please do not interrupt. Allah is watching. Yes. Navika.
No.
People of
fact.
all
Delhi
religion.
High Court judge caught with cash. 2 judges have been transferred from Delhi High Court. It's a fact.
But this judgment came out in 2010 when there was no cash. Okay, so let's not put a question mark over judgments that came out. At least 15.
It does not mean that all cash was collected this year. The cash could have been collected from last year.
Then why don't you ask Dr. Sanjay Jha on why the UPA did not discover any cash burnt or otherwise? But Anand Ranganathan, complete your point.
Navika, you must give me 10 extra seconds to at least counter this preposterous claim that just because a High Court judge was found with some cash, all prior and future High Court judgment are null and void because of that. Is that what the lawyer Tausif is saying? Anyway, what I wanted to say was that people of all religions celebrate on the roads festivals. For example, you have Muharram processions. Muslims also do processions, Hindus also do processions, but in this case, I quoted the 2010 Delhi High Court judgment that namaz should not be read on the roads, and the muezzin and the imam of the mosque accepted it. But that was during Congress. So obviously, there was no RSS, there was no conspiracy. This is the problem in this country. You have double standards. People who actually do Hindu-Muslim are the one who accuse others of doing Hindu-Muslim and spreading hatred.